GPT or BERT, which is a better large language model? You will find answer to this question in this video. If you are new to large language models or if you are not a data scientist, do not worry. This video is very easy to watch with lot of examples and visuals. You can also visit my website experienceddatascience.com, which has got the largest collection of no-code demos to learn data science and AI. So friends, let us get started. Let me first introduce you to the data flow in the demo. The data is related to customer review text. The data has got product ID, rating, and customer reviews. The reviews are expressed in natural language, so they can be very long and complex. We can process the review through large language model, and the output of large language model will be a vector representation of each text, also called as embeddings. The embeddings are then converted into clusters. We can then visually compare the clustering results to see which is more effective, BERT or GPT. Here is the result of the text clustering based on the OpenAI GPT large language model. The embedding vector size of GPT model is 1540. Each dot over here corresponds to a review. The color of the dot represents a cluster. We can observe that the clusters are well formed. Let us hover over the red clusters to see what it signifies. I see here, my dogs love peanut butter. These are excellent. The old dog has been eating this for years. As you'll see that this cluster corresponds to dog food. Now this is really amazing and powerful. The embedding technique is so powerful that it has even recognized the word dog and dog, D-A-W-G, are similar. Now let us look at the results of BERT. Now BERT offers two embedding vector sizes, 768 and 1024. The results which are shown here are for the embedding size 768. The first observation we can make is that these clusters are not very well formed compared to GPT. The green cluster corresponds to the dog food, and we can hover over it to see some of the items. Dogs love it. Puppy didn't care for this. The older dog chews on it. So technically BERT has classified all the text related to dog food in the same cluster. However, the green cluster is very widespread and is not as compact as compared to GPT. And the main reason is that the embedding vector size of 768 is inferior compared to the embedding vector size of 1540 of the GPT model. But all is not lost. Fortunately, BERT also has a higher embedding size of 1024. So let us see the results. Now here the orange cluster corresponds to the dog food, and we can hover over it to see some of the items. My dogs love them. It was okay but didn't really help. I bought this dog food. So this cluster is more compact compared to the embedding size of 728. However, it is still less compact compared to the GPT model. And the problem with not very compact clusters is that the points which are far from the center of the cluster may be misclassified. For example, this review over here is related to coffee, but because it has got a word dog in it, it got incorrectly classified as dog food. So to conclude, GPT wins over BERT due to the accuracy provided by the higher embedding size. However, the GPT results require a paid API while BERT is free. In addition, the BERT model is open source and it's not black box, so you can make further analysis to understand it better. Now concerning the GPT model, we can only retrieve the results, but we cannot analyze on how they work. So if your text is not too complex, a BERT embedding of 1028 should be sufficient. However, if your text is complex, like the customer reviews, it is preferable to go with GPT. Thank you for watching. Please to subscribe, comment and like in the video, and see you soon in the next video.